Teacher Aya Online Tutor. Hello children! Today we are going to practice reading sentences. Are you ready? Let's start. Ben has a pet cat. Again, Ben has a pet cat. Your turn to read, children. The cat is on the mat. Again, the cat is on the mat. Your turn to read, children. The rat is fat. Again, the rat is fat. Your turn to read, children. Sam has a red cup. Again, Sam has a red cup. Your turn to read, children. Ted has a toy car. Again, Ted has a toy car. Your turn to read, children. The toy car is red. Again, the toy car is red. Your turn to read, children. Pat has a net. Again, Pat has a net. Your turn to read, children. The bed is big. Again, the bed is big. Your turn to read, children. Anna fed her pet dog. Again, Anna fed her pet dog. Your turn to read, children. The map is in the bag. Again, the map is in the bag. Your turn to read, children. The bag is red. Again, the bag is red. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read the sentences together. Are you ready? Let's start. The cat is on the mat. The rat is fat. Sam has a red cup. Ted has a toy car. The toy car is red. Pat has a net. The bed is big. Anna fed her pet dog. The map is in the bag. The bag is red. Great job, children! Remember to always practice reading so you could be a good and a fast reader. Also, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lessons. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for watching, children. See you on our next lesson.